Welcome to our in-depth analysis of Zoho FSM, a comprehensive field service management solution designed to streamline various business operations. Zoho FSM is a cloud-based platform providing tools for scheduling and dispatching, contract and warranty management, inventory management, and more. It's part of the Zoho suite, known for its robust software solutions for businesses of all sizes. Zoho FSM is designed to help you optimize your field service operations, improve productivity, and enhance customer satisfaction. Zoho FSM comes packed with features. The job scheduling and dispatching feature allows efficient allocation of resources. The mobile app enables field technicians to access job data, update statuses, and capture customer signatures. With the inventory management feature, you can track stock levels and manage spare parts. Zoho FSM also offers contract management, allowing you to manage service agreements and warranties. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with other Zoho products and various third-party apps. Zoho FSM offers three pricing tiers: free, professional, and enterprise. The free plan caters to small businesses, supporting one user and basic features. The professional plan, priced at $25 per user per month, adds features like contract management and mobile access. The enterprise plan, at $45 per user per month, includes advanced features like project management and multi-location inventory. Zoho also offers a 15-day free trial, allowing you to test the software before committing. Zoho FSM is ideal for businesses that manage field operations. This includes industries like HVAC, plumbing, electrical services, IT services, and more. It's perfect for businesses wanting to streamline job scheduling, track inventory, manage contracts, and improve field worker productivity. Zoho FSM's mobile app is ideal for field technicians needing access to job data on the go. For businesses using other Zoho products or compatible third-party apps, Zoho FSM can seamlessly integrate to create an efficient business solution. Zoho FSM offers several advantages. Its robust features cover all aspects of field service management, making it a comprehensive solution. The mobile app enhances field worker productivity by providing job data on the go. Seamless integration with other Zoho products and third-party apps allows for a unified business solution. Additionally, Zoho FSM's pricing structure caters to businesses of all sizes, making it a scalable solution. Lastly, the cloud-based platform ensures data accessibility and security. Despite its benefits, Zoho FSM has some limitations. The user interface may seem complex to new users, requiring a learning curve. While it offers many features, some users may find it overwhelming and not user-friendly. Also, although Zoho FSM integrates with many apps, there might be compatibility issues with certain third-party software. Furthermore, some users have reported occasional glitches and slow customer support response times, which can impact business operations. In conclusion, Zoho FSM is a comprehensive field service management solution with robust features. Its strengths lie in its range of functionalities, mobile app, seamless integrations, and scalable pricing. However, its complex interface, potential compatibility issues, and reported customer support drawbacks should be considered. It's advisable to utilize the free trial to understand if Zoho FSM aligns with your business needs. Zoho FSM is a feature-rich, scalable solution ideal for businesses managing field operations. It offers job scheduling, inventory management, contract management, and mobile access. While the user interface may require a learning curve and there could be potential compatibility issues, its benefits significantly outweigh the drawbacks for most businesses. Trial the software to ensure it fits your business requirements. Thank you for watching our in-depth analysis of Zoho FSM. We hope this information helps you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. We appreciate your support and look forward to providing more valuable insights in the future.